Hi students, let us continue with the chapter linear inequation. So let us start with the next topic, that is representation of the solution on the number line. So in the previous class we already learned how to find out the solution set. Now let us learn how to represent it on a number line. Okay. So let me do an example question. For example, question 1, it's a question from our example. Solve the following inequality. It's in page number 45. Okay, solve the following inequality and graph the solution on the number line where x belongs to r. X belongs to r means it's real numbers, you know. So the equation is given like this: minus 1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x less than 23. In the last class you already learned how to find out the values from this, right? So you take the first part and do it. So minus 1 plus 3 plus 4x. Minus 1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x. To take 3 this side, what do you get? Minus 1 minus 3 less than or equal to 4x. So minus 4 less than or equal to 4x. Divide both sides by 4. So what do you get? Minus 1 less than or equal to x you get. Correct? Now the other part. What do you have in the other part? 3 plus 4x less than 23. So 4x less than 23 minus 3 is 20. Divide both sides by 4. You already learned the rules of changing the term to other side or dividing term in using the inequations last class. Okay, using that. So you get x less than 5. So finally you can write this as minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 5. So how do we write this? You write it as x such that minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 5, where x belongs to r. It's real numbers, so all the numbers in between are included. Now how to write this? Draw the number line for this given question. Okay. Draw a normal number line. Here you have minus 1 and 5. So that number should be included. So make sure whenever you draw a number line, whatever number you need to plot, other than that, you need to write 2 extra numbers or 1 extra number on both the sides. Better to write 2 extra numbers and never forget to put this arrows also. Okay. So it's minus 1 here. So let me start here from minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me extend this little more. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then with the arrow. Now, it's given minus 1 less than or equal to. That means minus 1 is also included. In that case, okay, let me take another color. It will be clear to you. So minus 1 has to be darkened like this, minus 1, okay, because minus 1 included. Other side, 5 is less than 5, so 5 is not included. So there you will put a hollow circle, okay. Now, since it's real number, all the numbers in between are included. You are clear with what is real number, right? So in that case, how do you mark it? You need to mark it like this. So this means minus 1 less than or equal to, because minus 1 is less than or equal to, minus 1 is included in the set, but 5 is not included, so it's a hollow circle. Now, for this it was x belongs to r. Same question, think if x belongs to n, x belongs to natural numbers, what would have been the set? You just check. Minus 1, it's not a natural number, or 0 is not a natural number, you start from 1, 2, 3, 4. You will stop at 4 because it's less than 5. Okay, in that case, how do you draw the number line? Let us start from minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, in this case, the natural numbers means you all know that between numbers will not be included. So, which are the numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is how we will plot that. Is it clear to you? So only if it's a real number you need to plot it this way. Okay, because in between number none of the numbers you can miss. And if it's a natural number, you will just plot that numbers whatever is given in the set. Okay, real numbers you cannot plug and write, right? You cannot pick the numbers and write as minus 1.5 like that, you cannot write. Okay, so this is how you represent the number line. Now let me start with the exercise 4b. Okay, so when I do more problems it will be clear to you. Exercise 4b. Okay. In exercise 4b, the first question is given as representing the following inequalities on real number lines. Okay, so everything is supposed to be written in drawn or represented a real number line only. In the first question you have 7 sub questions, you can see. Few of the questions let us do now. So let me take the first sub question. The first sub question is 2x minus 1 less than 5. So how do we write it? 2x is less than 5 plus 1 is 6. Divide by 2. X less than 3. Okay. So if it's x less than 3, how do I represent it? So I'll show you how to represent it. We have only one side now, right? So how do we represent it? Okay. Let's draw a number line for it. So let me start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, it goes like that. So you got finally x less than 3. Less than 3 means you should give a hollow circle here. So x less than 3 and x belongs to real numbers means all the other numbers less than 3 and including the negative numbers are included. In that case what you do? There is no n for it. So let me take other color. Okay. So see, have a look here. You will have to darken it like this. It continues. Okay. This is how you represent it. So this here, give a hollow circle here. It should not be a dark circle. Remember always, it should be a hollow circle. Okay. It should be a hollow circle and mark it like this. Hope it's clear to you. Okay. Now let us do the second sub question of it. Second sub question is given to you as 3x plus 1 greater than or equal to minus 5. 3x plus 1 greater than or equal to minus 5 means 3x is greater than or equal to minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. Divide by 3 on both the sides, you get x greater than or equal to minus 2. Okay. Again, before that, one more thing to be noted. Whenever you are representing a set like this and they have asked you to draw the number line, first you need to write the solution set also. Otherwise you are losing the marks there. So you have tried the set as x such that x less than 3, x belongs to R. Never forget to do this. Okay. Here x such that x is greater than or equal to minus 2, x belongs to R. This should be written for all the questions in this linear inequations. Okay. Even if number line is asked or not asked, you need to write the solution set. Then you go and it should be represented in the curly brackets. Okay. Now let me draw the number line. Okay. Let's draw the number line. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. It goes like that. So let us do that. Okay. We will start from greater than or equal to minus 2. So minus 2 should be included. So darken it. Which side it goes? It goes to this side. This is how you mark it. Hope it's clear to you. Okay. Now let us do the third sub question. Third one also looks similar. So let me do the fourth sub question. So that looks little different. It's not different. Little different because both the sides you have x. Value for x. X minus 4 less than x less than 4. Okay. So here value is given, nothing to solve. So let us do it. We'll start from minus 6. minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So minus 4 less than x. So in this means what do you have? Minus 4 less than x means that should be a hollow circle. Less than 4. Again here also. And you will have all the in between numbers. Your minus 4 and plus 4 is not included. That's why you have given a hollow circle there. Okay, and this is how you will mark it. Before that you could represent them. How do we represent? X such that minus 4, x less than 4 and x belongs to R. Okay. Okay, next. Let me, now that main is clear to you all. So in the second main you have few graphs are given to you. From that you need to find the equations. You can easily do it yourself. Now let me do the third main. What's given in the third main? For the following in the equation, graph the solution set on the real number line. Again it's real number line. Let me do one question from that. Okay, there are two questions. Let me do one question. Minus 4 less than or equal to 3x minus 1 less than 8. Okay, so in that case how do you do it? Let me take the first part. So minus 4 less than or equal to 3x minus 1. Taking one this side you get minus 5 less than or equal to 3x. No, minus 4, sorry, you get minus 4. Minus 4 minus 1 becomes plus 1. So you get minus 3. Minus 3 less than 3x. Okay. Divide by 3 on both the sides. What do you get? Minus 1 less than or equal to x. Now other place you have 3x minus 1 less than 8. 3x less than 8 plus 1. 3x less than 9. Divide by 3 on both the sides. You get x less than 3. So finally you get as minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 3. Okay. Now you can write the solution set as x such that minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 3, x belongs to R. Okay. Now how do we draw the number line here? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you have minus 1 less than or equal to. So let us take it as minus 1 less than or equal to, darken it. Less than 3. X less than 3. X less than 3 means you should not darken it completely. It should be a hollow circle. So yeah, you have it. Now it's a real number. So all the path, all the numbers will be included here. Okay. Hope it's clear to you all.